जय जय राम कृष्ण हरी। बोला पुंडलिक वरदारी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम। पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय। संत सद्गुरु गणेशनाथ महाराज की जय. Today, here, Sant Sadhguru Ganeshnath Maharaj have told us about goal of human being, and this is Abhang serial number 40. नाशवंत देह जाणून आपण. Actually, when we are living in this world, we are not thinking about why I am living, what is my goal of the life. Just eating and sleeping is my duty? No. Something else I need to do, because other animal also in this world, they are also doing same thing, but something extraordinary God have given us. So for that, what we are doing? So here Sant Sadguru Ganeshnath Maharaj told, Nashwant Deha Januni Apana. God have given chance to us to know that spirituality. That's reason this human being body we have got. And this is a good chance to know this spirituality. If and there have one age limit. We are not living in this world another 1,000 year. So there have some limitation, and if you come to know that, then we have to spend every moment to know ourselves. हरिरूपी मिळूनी लीन व्हावे. And once we come to know that spirituality, once we come to know that stable position of human being or any, this spirituality is not only existed in human body, it's existed each and everything. So that purpose we have to spend our life. चंदना सारखे झिजे जैसा देह. Again he is telling, doing something for other is a best feeling in the world. So if we are spending time to do something for other, it's a very best satisfaction for our heart. And here Sant Ganeshnath Maharaj told one example. Sandalwood we will destroy, we will make some process to destroy that sandalwood, but what will happen once we done that thing? One good smell will spread in this atmosphere. So for that purpose only sandalwood have his life. Same thing, why we are living, do some work for the society, do some atma chintana to know ourselves. But we are, if you are not doing both this thing, not doing something for society and not doing atma chintana, then our life is waste. Just we have birth and we have death, middle. For what purpose God made us, we not use that one. So what is use? Nothing. परमार्थ परोपकार अखंड आवडे तोची योगी चढे ब्रह्मगिरी. There have two goal of human being. One, make society better to stay. Everyone must have happy in this society. No thief, no crucial feeling, no bad habit, no bad atmosphere, or no bad human being. We have to resolve these all issues. We have to make everyone happy. So for that we have to spend some time for the society. This is first goal. Second goal, we have to do some atma chintana to know ourselves, who am I. This is a second goal. And tuche yogi chadi brahmagiri. And if you done lifetime like this, if you spend full life for these two things, then end of the day we will come to know this brahma swarupa, this spirituality, and we will feel ourselves free bird. Then we don't have any binding about this world, and that is a lifetime satisfaction also and lifetime happiness also. गणेशनाथ म्हणे भावे तुझी सेवा तरीच या जीवा सोडवण. And I come to know due to my Sadguru, he have told me correct way how to stay in the life, and that's reason I spend my time to do service for my Sadguru or Sant Sadhu Mahatma or for this society. तरीच या जीवा सोडून, and that reason now I am feeling myself free, because until I have connection with this physical body, like ego or something, whatever I am doing, for that when I am telling I am doing, or I due to me it has done, like this some binding is there, till that I am feeling myself in prison. But now once I come to know, I am thinking out of this physical body, I am now thinking about the spirituality, then I am feeling myself as a free bird, and this is the goal of human being. गणेशनाथ 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 गणेशनाथ. बोला पुंडलिक वर्धारी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम. पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय. संत सद्गुरु गणेशनाथ महाराज की जय.